on day 2 of Microsite, which is ravepubs.com/ISE.
Do a quick booth tour, and if you're interested,
Hey everyone, Steph Beckett here at ISE 2026, day 1. We're in the beautiful Epson booth joined by Daniel Rose. First of all, how has the show been for you?
Been really good, really busy morning. It's been crazy how busy the show's been. Could barely even move on our stand at times.
Yes, which, that's a good sign.
Exactly, yeah. All very positive, so yeah, really good.
So you have a few different vignettes here in the booth, so I'm going to have you just kind of tell me a little bit about what you're showing. First, you're showing the flagship 4K projector. Tell me a little bit about that.
So yeah, so we've got our new flagship 30,000 lumen 4K projector, world's smallest and lightest 4K 30,000 lumen. Really pleased with it. It's had massive positive feedback already. We've got already big tranche of pre-orders as well here in Europe, so we're really happy with that. It's giving the market that next step forward to making a really compact, easy to use device that's going to allow us to put high brightness projection into a lot more places.
Very cool. And during setup yesterday, I saw that you guys had a big lineup of lenses. So you're showcasing all your different ones. Tell me about this line.
So with the lenses, we're replacing our range of lenses over the course of this year to allow them to take the higher brightness of the 30,000 lumen, but it means we'll have one single range of lenses for every projector from 6,000 lumens all the way up to 30,000 lumens. So it's really easy to then manage a fleet of lenses and specify. You don't have to keep jumping between different families and things like that.
Very cool. So just very easy to interchange.
Yeah, exactly. It makes it really simple to use for both fixed install and also rental and staging environments.
That's a good point. And a lot easier for like that IT team or whoever's in a university to manage them in classrooms and things too.
Yeah, exactly. It makes the idea with all of our designs is to make it easier for the user, make it as easy as possible to use, maintain, look after, and just generally get the maximum out of it.
Well, making it very easy for the user seems to be something that clearly resonates with them. I don't know a classroom in the United States that doesn't have an Epson projector, so clearly it's working.
Yeah. We've always had great success in that area, and the range we've got now really allows us to push the boundaries for those customers.
Yeah, absolutely. So speaking of pushing boundaries, I'd love to talk about this Infinity installation behind us. So first of all, there are different panels here. It's all projected. There are mirrors in the top and bottom, so when you stand in it, it looks absolutely insane. Talk about this installation.
So the idea with this is to really show what can be done with projection that can't really be done with any other sort of technology. So really showcasing projection strengths, showing how we can give a really truly immersive experience because the technology is not in the way or it's actually being seen. It just feels like you're experiencing something truly unique.
Very cool. Who designed it? Do you know?
So it was designed by a company called 1000, who are an Italian company. We worked with them for a couple of years now on different ISE stands, so they're a really cutting-edge company that's focused on sort of immersive art experiences.
I love that you guys do that because I think it's a very natural thing to assume, projection in rental and staging, projection in a classroom, but projection for immersive tech I think is a really important but sometimes under talked about topic, because I think we assume like 3D LED for immersion, but it's actually so much easier with projection. And I think honestly immersive technology driven by projection is going to be a key market in the future.
Yeah, it's definitely immersive spaces are a really key market for us. We're seeing a massive amount of digital experiences being created worldwide, and Epson have been very much at the cutting edge of that and really been a major player in that market. And we're seeing continuous growth. It's crazy how many more digital art museums are coming online. Yeah.
All of the projection mapping that I've seen you guys do over the years has just driven that point home for me, where immersive is going to drive projection forward.
Yeah, exactly. It's such a great experience, and you can use projection and turn any surface you want into a screen, which you can't do that with other technologies.
Yeah. Well, very cool. Where can people come if they want to see any of this technology in person?
So we're on stand 3J100, so in the big hall 3 where all the big stands are.
Perfect. And where can people find Epson on the internet?
So just look up Epson.eu is our main website for the European team.
Perfect. And don't forget to go to ravepubs.com/ISE for all your ISE 2026 news. Again, I'm Steph Beckett, and we'll see you next time. Bye.